Hey there, buddy. My name is John, your friend who's always on a budget. In this channel, we will try to create extraordinary things using the cheapest methods and supplies as possible. Click subscribe if you wanted to look like Justin Timberlake. You can also ring that bell icon to get notified if I will upload new content. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and you can also request a video at the comment section below. In this video, we will be drawing Raya and the Last Dragon. Without further ado, let's dive in.
Drop it.
Hey buddy, welcome to my voiceover. Now I'm gonna draw the head. First, draw a circle to be the base of the head. And after doing that, draw a straight line to separate the two faces that we will gonna create. In creating Raya's face, I used the rule of thirds. I began by drawing the head structure, the eye, and give her a small dainty eyeballs and draw the nose. I draw the lip bigger to make it look pop. For my signature style, I added accentuated cheekbones, but I ended up erasing it because I'm not satisfied. I just recreated it and with a bigger jaw, bigger cheekbone, and a more accentuated chin. Who will forget the iconic hat that Raya wore on the actual movie? I just make the hat more simply. After drawing Raya's face, let's proceed to Sizu's face. At first, I draw Sizu's head structure. I added big eyeball to Zizu because dragons and humans doesn't have that same eyeballs. I draw the horns, I just draw half of them. Next step is put the detail on the hair. Zizu got this gorgeous hair, but then my materials can't draw them, so I just think that making the hair look bigger is the better alternative. Next, I draw Raya's hair and we're ready to go. After sketching, let's proceed to inking. I use this very cheap marker that I just bought. I began by inking Raya's face. I accentuated the features even more, and since Raya had these Asian qualities, I just make her look more Asian. I use smaller marker for the smaller detail. Since we're done to Raya's face, let's proceed to Zizu. In drawing Zizu's face, I use blue marker to match the color scheme. I also use black to make the colors more pop. I put blue on every detail so that it will look detailed, finished, and stunning. I made the hair float on the air. I didn't base it on the gravity. I just placed it to where I thought it would look gorgeous. I made her eyeball blue to match the color scheme. And then I started creating the boundary between the two faces. After that, I grabbed my dark blue oil pastel and start coloring the surface. I used my dark blue colored pencil to make it look pop. I grab my sky blue and fill up the uncolored surface. So far, I'm impressed with how the color turned out, and it's a cold color and I'm loving it. After doing the face, I proceed to the hair. In doing the hair, I used more colors such as violet and darker blue to add a saturation on the hair. There you have it. I also put black on the edges to make it look pop. I colored the horns. And color the last strand of the hair. The next one is coloring Raya's face. Now I start by putting black on the hair. I make sure that every inch of the hair is colored, and voila, I'm done. I accentuated the face structure of Raya, and I use my brown and my golden color. I also used yellowish color to complement the other colors that I used. For the shadow, I used the same brown that I used and added a little black on it. To fill up the surface, I used this pinkish yellowish tone. And then I used my pencil to refine the edges. I want Raya's face to be a hot color to complement the cold color of Zizu. I started drawing the lip, and it turned out really good. I'm putting shadows on the face and I'm done. The next step is color the hat. At first I used yellow and I ended up erasing it and covering it with orange. And then I grabbed my brightest yellow to make the color more glowy. We're done with the hat and the face, now let's color the body. I used the same color that I used on the face to match it with the face and to remain the hot color. Now it is almost ready for the close-up shot. Are you guys excited? I myself is excited. See you in 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Either standing by, nice to meet you. Next one night, elevator. Drop it. Teach me about fucking stars.
And yay! That concludes the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I enjoyed making it, honestly. I really do enjoy making this video, and yeah, see you in the next vlog.